and welcome back to the channel. This is me Anand back with another video. So finally I'm back in Doha, Qatar again, and today I'm going to Mishrib, which is said to be one of the best place to be visited in the evenings. So I'm going there today, and also I'll be giving you all a short walk tour of that place. So yeah, let's go there and let's explore it. So guys, now I'm leaving from my accommodation. Okay guys, so I just reached the metro station, and it's the weather is quite hot and humid. My phone is kind of getting heated up. So guys, this is the metro station. Guys, outside it's very hot. I don't know how am I gonna vlog there in Mishrib. Most of the time I am in air conditioned environment. So since I came out today, it's very hot. So guys, from here I'll be taking the train to Mishrib, and I'll be landing straight there. Finally got the seat, and now we'll be getting down at Mishrib. So guys, now I'm at the Mishrib metro station, and from here I'll be taking another metro to Souq Waqif. So I'll be getting down now directly to Souq Waqif. So guys, now I am heading out of the Souq Waqif metro station. So guys, finally I have reached the Souq Waqif, and from here I'll be continuing my vlog till I reach Mishrib. Guys, the weather is quite hot and humid, and my phone has started to get heated up. So this is the most famous part of this place. This thumb has its significance here. So guys, it's just 2 minutes walk from here to the Mishrib downtown, and I'm pretty much excited to go there and explore. And here people are dining outside. Usually this time in the Souq Waqif, especially in the evenings, you'll see people dining on the table. Guys, today it seems like this place is very crowded because it's Friday today, and Friday it's weekend. So Friday, Saturday it's fully packed here. And this is Mishrib. सो गाइस, मैं अभी पहुंच चुका हूं मिशरिब डाउनटाउन पे, और जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ज़्यादा क्राउड नहीं है, काफ़ी शांत लग रहा है ये जगह। और यहाँ पे कुछ कैफ़ेज़ हैं। Guys, I thought this place would be really crowded, but since it's Friday, but still there is no much crowd. It's kind of empty here. So guys, I feel this is the best place to hang out in the evening, as there are no much crowd here. The people here are enjoying the evening, sitting around looking at the waterfall. I mean the fountains. गाइस यहाँ पे जो एक चीज़ जो बहुत फेमस है वो है यहाँ का ट्रेन, जिसे बोलते हैं ट्रायम्फ. तो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट, और आप लोगों को भी दिखाना चाहता हूँ वो. स्पेशली रात को बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत और प्यारा दिखता है वो. और इफ़ पॉसिबल आई ट्राई टू गो इनसाइड ऑफ द ट्रेन टुडे, सो आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर इट. और ये है कुछ अंदर होम डेकोर, इंटीरियर्स का सामान वगैरह. और ये है फाउंटेन्स जो कि फ्लेम की तरह दिख रहा है. गाइस मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कतार में नहीं बल्कि किसी यूरोप कंट्री में चल रहा हूँ. यहाँ की मुझे जो बिल्डिंग की जो डिज़ाइन है वो कुछ यूरोप का ही फीलिंग दे रही है. So guys, the train what you all saw just now, it's the main attraction of this place. Because of that train, many people and a lot of tourists, they come here to just have a look and get inside. Basically this tram trains goes around this area. So once it comes, even I'm gonna enter now and let's see how's the experience inside. So guys, now I'm waiting for the tram train. I just want to go inside and just go revolve around this place. So, and I was also just waiting for some supercars, but fortunately I cannot find any supercars at this moment here. But usually in the evenings there are a lot of supercars and bikes passing by, but so far I haven't encountered any. So guys, this train is going and now I'll be going inside. रुक जा. I think it's opening on the opposite side. Oh, so it's closed. Maybe in the next time we'll go. These people are enjoying here. Actually I was supposed to go inside, but I went the wrong door, so it left and it was kind of a little bit embarrassment for me. So in the meanwhile we'll go here and let's check out. Just look at this, guys. This pink ribbon is making the street look more attractive. Guys, I'm really liking the vibe of this place. It's so chill, it's so silent, and no much noise here. Actually I wanted to come Misharib बहुत पहले मुझे आना था यहाँ पे, but due to some reasons I couldn't come. Usually because of my shift. My shift timings are so odd, like I have night shift, morning shift, evening shift, so my body and mind is not synced. So most of the time I am just resting in my accommodation, and when I feel good and uh, and when I'm confident enough to make a vlog, then only I go out. And now actually I wanted to explore few more places, but it's so hot that I don't think I'll be able to make it during this summer season. So probably after a few months I'll explore some more places which are really good. And I also want to show you guys the beauty of Doha, Qatar. So guys, the streets of Qatar is really beautiful in the night, and I feel like keep walking and just going through wherever my legs wanna go. So guys, this is the nice place here to have coffee and some snacks like that. सो गाइज़ आज वीकेंड पे भी ज़्यादा क्राउड नहीं है, और यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे इवनिंग स्पेंड करने के लिए। वैसे कल मेरा शिफ्ट है, मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट, बट आई डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग फॉर द शिफ्ट टुमारो बिकॉज आई फील लाइक एक्सप्लोरिंग मोर। एंड अभी देखते हैं इफ़ आई कैन ट्राई गेटिंग द ट्राम ट्रेन। अभी कोशिश फिर से करूँगा इस बार अंदर जाने की। ट्रेन ज़्यादा देर तक रुकती नहीं है, जस्ट फॉर अबाउट अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स। Guys, one good thing about Doha, Qatar I like the most is that wherever you go, it's not very crowded because the population here is very less. So wherever you go, it's like a peaceful trip, and you can enjoy. There is no much noise around. Everything is peaceful and silent. So till now I couldn't see any supercar or a super bike. Maybe it's not my lucky day today, but usually when I see my friends story or in their videos, so these people, so they have their supercars and bikes. So yeah, let's see before going home if I can see any of the luxury cars और बाइक। चलते चलते गला सूख गया मेरा, और पानी पीने का मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद ही नहीं रहा। एंड नाउ आई एम रियली वेरी थर्स्टी। एंड ऑल्सो नाउ द समर्स ऑल्सो इज़ अबाउट टू बिगिन from next month onwards, that is from from June onwards. So from June I don't think I'll be able to make any vlogs because it's very difficult to go out and shoot. Especially my phone gets really heated up and sometimes it's shut down, so I don't want to take any risk with my phone because this is the only source I have. And so yeah, and now I'm waiting for the tram train. So once it arrives here I'll be getting in. So guys, now I'll be going inside the train. Last time मैं गलत डोर से चला गया था अंदर। Guys, कुछ ज़्यादा ही पैक्ड है अंदर, so I just thought of going for the next one because I don't think if I enter inside I'll be able to vlog, and the people here are staring at me made me more conscious, so I just got shy kind of, and just I came back. So far my evening is going really good. Qatari people, and here they're having some small kids park. This place seems to be quite silent in the night, and some of the Qatari people can be found here, can be seen here, sorry. And some are inside here. Usually Qatari people you'll find in the posh places. So guys, I just came here to take some time lapse. Let's see if I can find a good spot where I can take somewhere good time lapse here. So just looking for a good location. Okay guys, so I'll end my vlog here, and probably next time I'll go for the tram train ride. And thank you so much for watching my vlog till here. And if you like my vlog for whatsoever reason, don't forget to like, share, and if you are new watching, do subscribe. And मिलते हैं जल्दी अगले vlog में. Till then, take care and bye bye for now.